Yellow headlights? Most people spend $30 or more on a headlight restoration kit, and sometimes even hundreds at a body shop. But what if I told you, this little $5 tube of metal polish, not even made for headlights, could bring them back to life? It sounds crazy, right? Well, let's find out if it's just a myth, or if it really works. Take a closer look at this headlight. It's not just a little foggy. The entire lens has turned yellow and cloudy. The question is, can a metal polish cream plus sanding and a polishing machine actually restore this headlight? Let's find out. First step, sanding. We start with P1000 to remove the yellow oxidation, then move step by step to finer sandpapers. Now, instead of a professional compound, I'm using this metal polish cream. Normally, compounds are designed specifically for plastics and come with UV protection. But this product is meant for metals, chrome, stainless, aluminum, not headlights. That's why I want to test it, to see if it can actually work as a budget alternative. Apply a thin layer of water, then sand gently by hand with P1000. This grit is fine enough to remove the yellow oxidation, but still safe for the plastic. Keep the surface wet and use light, even strokes. Now switch to P1500. This finer grit smooths out the scratches left by P1000 and starts bringing a more even surface. Again, keep it wet and sand with light, overlapping strokes. Now we move to P2000. This grit is very fine, and it removes the last marks from P1500. Keep the surface wet and sand gently. This is about refining the finish, not removing more material. After sanding with P2000, the lens looks evenly frosted. The deeper scratches are gone, and the surface feels smooth to the touch. It's not clear yet, but this is the perfect base for final polishing. Now the final step, machine polishing with P3000, combined with the metal polish cream. This is the secret most DIY guides never mention. P3000 blends the surface perfectly, removes the last haze, and brings back crystal clarity. After this step, we're done. Finally, wipe the lens clean with a damp microfiber cloth. This removes any leftover polish and sanding residue, leaving a clear, fresh surface. And here's the result. Before, yellow, cloudy, and dull. After, clear, smooth, and bright again. The polish works, but remember, without UV protection, the yellowing can return in weeks. For a long-term fix, always seal the lens with a UV coating. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real garage tips and DIY tricks. And let me know in the comments what you want to see next.